Hey guys, so I started recording my video and it stopped in the middle of it. I don't really know why. So what I started my video saying was that I hope if you're doing virtual learning that you're grade recovery, that you're keeping up with those assignments. Those are on Google Classroom and you will have until May 8th to complete them. And they're due to Miss Laura by May 15th from me, so that gives me enough time to work with them and make sure I can figure out where it's most beneficial to put your grades. So what we've gone over already, what divided by 2 is 7, that would be 14. 5 times what is 30? 6. And 8 times 6 is 48. Now here it's not asking the time, it wants to know what time will it be in 25 minutes, so we had to count up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and in 25 minutes both the hour hand and the minute hand, well actually the minute hand will be on the 7, the hour hand will be a little bit more past the 7, but we'll be in the 7 o'clock hour and 35 minutes into the hour. Here we had to round to the nearest 10. 653 rounds to 650, and 307 rounds to 310. And then we can write it vertically. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, 6 minus 3 is 3. All right, so let's get back to where I was. So Henry found 79 shells on the beach, and he gave his mom 34. Later he found 81 more. How many shells did Henry have, or does he have now? So we need to start with, do we have a total? Yes, we had a total. Are they equal? No. So that would lead us to subtract first. He gives 34 away. So our first step is to say 79 minus 34. 9 minus 4 will give us 5, and 7 minus 3 will give us 4. So he then has 45. Well, then he finds 89 more. So do we have a total? No. Are they equal? No. That leads us to add 45 and 81. 5 plus 1 will give us 6. And 8 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. 126 should be your final answer. That's kind of hard to see. I'm going to write it up here. All right. Write the related multiplication fact. So 7 times 5 is 35. We can remember that because they are using the commutative property. No matter how you arrange the numbers, the answer remains the same. Find the perimeter. Okay, perimeter, the word has a T in it. That will remind you we are not multiplying like you do with area. For perimeter, you're adding. So we are doing 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2. Adding all the sides together. 6 plus 6 gives you 12. And 12 plus 2 more is 14, plus 2 more is 16. So 16 is your final perimeter for this rectangle. 5 divided by 1, you could say 1 times what is 5? That's going to be 5. 8 times 8 would give us 64. And 36 divided by 4, you could rewrite as 4 times what is 36, and you will get 9. Okay, 549 plus 202, 9, 10, 11, carry that 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2, 6, 7, 751. Okay, down here we have a pattern. It looks like we are subtracting 6 each time. So 74 minus 6, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68. So we're going to be at 168. Minus 6 more will give us 162. And then minus 6 more, we'd have 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56. All right, here, what is a refrigerator going to weigh? 90 grams or 90 kilograms? Remember, whenever we did weight, we said a gram is about 1 paper clip, and a kilogram is about 1 pineapple. So is it going to be 90 paper clips or 90 pineapples? For that, we are obviously going to say it'd be about 90 pineapples because a refrigerator weighs a lot. 834 minus 657. We have to borrow because we cannot subtract 4 minus 7. Our 3 becomes a 2. 4 becomes a 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. We can't do 2 minus 5. We have to borrow again. 8 becomes a 7. That 2 becomes a 12. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 again. And 7 minus 6 is 1. 177. Ian caught 4 fish during each hour that he fished. He fished for 7 hours. How many fish did he catch? Do we have a total? No. Are they equal? Yes, because of each. So we're going to multiply 4 times 7 and we will find out he caught 28 fish. Okay, here we're going to take our 0 off.